guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. I do know this box is a little late, but that's to be expected with Boxycharm. Now, I know I said I canceled Boxycharm, which I did, but their sales drag me back in, and it's like, oh, well, I have $30 extra to spend. What makeup item should I buy? Why pick one when you can get 5? So, yes, I did rejoin Boxycharm. I cannot help myself. I love Boxycharm. Even when I dislike the box, I love Boxycharm. So, I did get a $10 sign-on credit for coming back to use in the drop shop, I think is what they're calling it now. Anyway, I ordered the Nikita Dragon Volume 1 and took $10 off, which cost me $5.41 for this palette. I think it's stunning. I can't wait to do a look with it. I should have got Volume 1 and 2, but I stuck with just Volume 1. That is what she looks like. I think it's a beautiful palette. I can't wait to use it. So that was my free $10 credit for coming back. And then, of course, you get a free gift. So I got a extra eyeshadow palette. But let's go ahead and open the base box. This is October 2021's base box Boxycharm. In here you get 5 products, $25. It's roughly $27 and some change for me, and I live in the state of Arkansas. When you open it, this is what it looks like. Now, I have been using a couple of the items. The card is Spellbound, which is quite appropriate for October. Inside, it does tell you about the drop shop, the mega drop shop, and then the beauty bash. The beauty bash will take place in early November. The mega drop shop opens November 8th. And then the drop shop opens October 11th, which if you're just now seeing this, I'm sure that the drop shop is closed. But thankfully, the mega drop shop is about to open. The pop-ups, the drop shops, whatever you want to call them, that's what keeps me there. I mean, such good prices. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to put my glasses on because y'all know I can't see anything. Before we start this box, I will let you know that I am wearing the Natasha Denona Eyeshadow Palette 5 on my eyes. This is what that palette looks like. I did get mine from Bizybeautystore on IG. She is always down in my description box if you'd like to check her out. She is a makeup wholesaler, resale. She does beauty boxes. Anyway, that is that palette. I liked it. I wouldn't have chose that color story, but all in all, it came out with a pretty look. It was simple. A lot of shimmer, but nonetheless, it was still easy and made a cute look. So let's go ahead and get in here. So the first thing we got is by Beauty Bakery. This is the Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette for $38. Now, I haven't used this just because I have a lot of highlighting, bronzing, blush palettes, the whole 9 yards. So, I don't know if I'm going to keep this. It's super, super pretty, but do I need it? I don't know. So, it's just going to sit here until I decide to either touch it or not. That's how it usually goes. So that was $38. The palette I got for rejoining Boxycharm was also from Beauty Bakery. This is the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Now, I had yet to receive this, so I was okay with it. This is what it looks like inside. Just a simple, everyday kind of color story. Also, I have not touched it. I don't know whether I want to. So until then, it will just be like that. I was hoping for the Ace Beauté Falling For You palette. I didn't end up getting that. So it's alright. The next thing I got was from Laura Geller. This is the Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer Hydrate. This retails for $32. I have used this a couple of times and I really did like it. I had looked at it in the drop shop. I didn't pick it up thinking, okay, maybe it'll come in my box. So it did. And I've been loving it. The next thing I got was the Malin and Goats. I hope I'm saying that right. Resurfacing Face Serum. This is a 3-in-1 gel serum. Synthesizes AHAs and vitamin C to help smooth, clarify, and brighten skin. For all skin types, including sensitive skin. And this retails for $70. Now, I have tried this once this morning. It wasn't bad. It doesn't have the best smell in the world. It is in a glass bottle and a little dropper. So I will continue using it and see what happens. It says to use it on a clean face, then use your moisturizer and your SPF if your moisturizer doesn't have that. So if you're going out in the daytime, that's the directions for it. The next thing I got was from Kinder Beauty, which I've never heard of. This is an overnight lip mask, and it retails for $20. I have not opened this or tried it. I have quite a few lip masks that I've gotten from Bizybeautystore in my friend mail. So I am not in need of opening this yet. But I do want to show you that it looks totally empty. I mean, there's no dip, there's no nothing, so there's got to be very little product in here. This retails for $20. Let's see if it says. .14 ounces or 4 grams. That is not very much. I get that it's for your lips, but still, for $20, you know, I'm using the Makeup Revolution lip mask right now, and this works great. And it's not $20. The last thing I got was from Julep Beauty. This is Makeup Remover Towelettes. They are a 2-in-1 wipe. Gently removes makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. These retail for $20. They are 100% biodegradable. No need to rinse. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. So I do like witch hazel. I do tend to use other things to clean my face other than witch hazel, but Samantha swears by witch hazel. That's the only thing she uses on her face. So I was very happy with my box. I will use the makeup wipes. I am going to be using the Resurfacing face serum and the primer. As far as the palette and the highlighting palette and the lip mask, they're going to go over in my basket because I just don't know what to do with them yet. I will leave up here how much my box was worth. And I will be doing a look with the Dragon Beauty palette. I think it's adorable. I do regret not getting volume 2. But that's on me, and hopefully they'll come another time when I can grab it up. Let me know if you get Boxycharm. Have you been sucked back in, or are you standing your ground? Because apparently I'm weak. I was so weak. Like I said, I love Boxycharm. Even when I don't like it, I love Boxycharm. It's a great way to keep up with new items, new products, to keep you in backup of all kinds of things. I will say I do like the ratio that my box had. It had skincare and makeup, and then makeup tools, which I consider the wipes a beauty tool. Anyway, comment down below. Let me know what you think about Boxycharm. Do you get it? How was your box for October? What did you pick for November? And until next time, guys, stay beautiful. And remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says, I'm possible. I love y'all. Mwah. Bye.